Hey, this is Rob with Jupiter Electric Bike. Today we're going to show you the unboxing and setup for the Journey and the Cruise electric bike. First, we're going to remove the Journey from the box. After you get the bike out of the box, you're going to remove all the packaging. After you've unwrapped everything, double check and make sure that you have all the components you see here. We're going to start with the fork installation first. On the front fork, we're going to remove the bolt cap and unscrew the top. After we remove the top, we're going to remove all the collar rings. We're going to insert the fork into the frame, then put the silver pieces in place, the larger cap, and then the two neck rings. Next, we're going to install the neck on the top of the fork, make sure it's aligned, and then tighten it down. And finally, we're going to put the cap back on the top. And now your front fork is installed. Next, we're going to install the front wheel and the kickstand. The kickstand installs near the rear motor. You're going to position it behind the frame. Next, locate the front axle skewer. We're going to remove the plug off of the rear of the hole. Untwist the nut and the spring, feed it through, and tighten it on the other side. We're going to lift the bike, settle the axle into the grooves, and tighten it down. Now that the front wheel is installed, our next step is to install the handlebar. Start by removing the 4 screws and the handlebar cover. Next, position the handlebar correctly on the neck and reattach the cover. You can use the symbol on the handlebar to help align it. Next, we're going to remove the screws from the display and the display buttons. Position it on the handlebar and tighten it down. Next, we're going to install the front fender and the headlight. First, we're going to unplug the headlight. Next, unscrew the front fender bolt. Then feed the front fender through the front fork. Position the headlight with the front fender. Tighten it down, and then reconnect the cable. Finish by attaching the bottom brackets on the fender. Finally, we're going to install the front caliper. Start by removing the 2 bolts. Position the caliper over the rotor and screw back in. Then put cable in the holder. Take a moment now to install the rear fender stays. Make sure you install it on the bottom screw. Next, we're going to install the rear rack. Screw in the rear rack, then plug in the cable for the rear light. To install the seat, simply put it in the shaft, twist to tighten, and clamp it down. The pedals are marked with an L and an R, along with a rotation symbol that lets you know which way to turn it. Install the pedal into the crank arm and turn in the same direction as on the picture. Left will be counterclockwise, right will be clockwise. Pump up the tires, put on your helmet, and you're ready to ride. This bike is going to give you a lot of fun riding miles. If you have any problems setting it up, give us a call or check out our website, support.jupiterbike.com, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to get all of our latest videos.